So if you think about where like your primary phones are kind of being optimized for today, it's like bigger screen, bigger camera, bigger battery, bigger processor, really geared more towards like content consumption and creation, like capturing. And we were like, what if you could build a phone that was really optimized for communication that in many ways would be a complement to your primary phone that's more focused on, content, right? Content creation and consumption. So in building Communicator, we were like, okay, we want it to do a few things really well. We want it to give you better context around what's looking for your attention. We want to give you kind of more versatility in terms of how you, do input, and then just more control. So on the context side, how do you know when something needs your attention? Well, we're gonna signal you with a light.
Oh yeah.
Right? And the light is customizable with different colors based on different people or different applications that are looking to get your attention. And then once something's got your attention, well, how do you kind of triage all of that stuff quickly without getting sucked into side quests, right? Like distractions. So we're working with a launcher company called Niagara, which is a very popular Android launcher, to build essentially a custom launcher for Communicator that curates messages from your favorite apps right on your home screen. So I've got a I've got a Pixel with Niagara just to kind of show you conceptually how it works, right? It's a bit of a different concept where instead of an app grid, you have an app list, right? And you got this beautiful ribbon along the side, all of your apps. But then at the top, you can pin favorites to your home screen, right? And so I can see all the notifications from my favorite apps and then quickly like go in and actually triage these things. I'll mark that as red, or I'll go in and I'll, like that. And I never actually have to go into an app at all, right? And so what we're doing with the Niagara team is creating a version of this that taps into the hardware of Communicator using the touch-sensitive keyboard to scroll through your messages, using the keys themselves to, delete or reply or forward or mark as unread right from that home screen without ever having to actually go into the app itself. So it's a much more kind of purposeful home screen experience.